Once the weapon is fired, the bullet travels down the barrel, embedding itself inside the alloy projectile.
Its nickname is Clown Gun because of its shape, but this adapter for police firearms is no laughing matter.
Once the projectile impacts the threat, it will send a shockwave of pain to the suspect without the internal damage that a penetrating bullet would cause.
Police shootings like the death of Michael Brown in Ferguson, Missouri, and that of Sammy Yatim in Toronto have raised questions about the use of lethal force. This technology is expected to be discussed at this week's Toronto Police Services Board meeting. But the Toronto Police Association isn't convinced it's the right fit for frontline officers.
I wouldn't want to see officers fumbling and saying, oh, did I put the right thing on this gun? Which round am I using? You know, I want to mitigate risk as much as I can for my officers and also for the public.
The Clown Gun slows down the first bullet fired by about 20%. The remaining bullets follow at normal speed.
You want to neutralize the threat, and you will continue firing until that threat stops. So that's part of the training, and that's what police officers are taught, and for good reason.
I'm sure that there's a potential use for this.
Former police officer Michael Harvey says the average person can travel about 6.4 meters in less than 3 seconds, about the same time it would take for an officer to apply the technology to their weapon.
So if they were to attack or charge, in my opinion, there'd be very limited time to get this device applied to your gun and fire a round that was meaningful.
Now, the Clown Gun is just one of several less than lethal technologies out there. It fits into similar categories as tasers or small beanbag shell guns casings. But what this situation is, what it is used in, how it can be used, that is still up for discussion.
Okay, Natalie Collada reporting for us in studio. Thank you.